Letter S na, bilis. Letter S. Letter na. T. Ang dupang mo eh. Na-blurred lang yung letter T sa pagsulat. Di mo na sinulat. Pabili na, letter T na. Say hi to vlog.
Hi to vlog.
Tristan, it's time to write her name. Write letter T. Please.
Yes.
Nakikita ka sa nakikita ka sa camera. You are look like a naughty. Bili, help ka ni nanay. Takte kailangan may gabay ng magulang. Aha. 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 Aha, aha. S.
Get the dog.
E. Slowly. Very good. Letter S. Come on. Come on, Tristan. You do it, Dad. Very good. Letter C. Very good. Letter O. Ayun. Masunurin pala. Last two line. Okay. Letter P na. Ayusin mo ang hawak ng pencil mo na.
Oh no. Let's try.
Hey, Mikey, you finish your work. Hey, Mikey.
Let's try again.
Let's try again. Hold your pencil first. Then you write letter P. Very good. Ayan, ganyan ang surat na gusto ko.
Knowledge.
Knowledge talaga. Patient knowledge. Knowledge ang kailangan ko sa'yo.
Let's spell knowledge to sulat. Look over there.
Letter C.
Look.
Sige na. Letter C mo na yan.
I need...
Ang gaang niya kasi. Napaka-arte kasi humawak ng pencil itong batang to eh. Bili na. Letter E na. Kaya laging babae na namin paghawak na sa...
That's not bad.
Letter T na. Laging babae na naman yung paghawak na sa pencil. Letter T na. Nakikita ka sa vlog. Namula ka nangungulangot ka. Nakikita ka, oh. Yakadiri ka naman. Ang baboy. Letter T. Hi, vlog. Tristan journey how to write your name. We need patience. Because she look like tamad-tamad magsulat. Oh my goodness. Then the phrase is, if I finish her work, I give them the cell phone, then I give in some chocolates. But, look, she tried to broken the pen. She tried to broken the pencil because I start to write their name na daw. Try, huh?
Did you see the wet cell phone?
Yeah. Didn't I write your name na?
That's clean wet cell phone.
Then it's time to write your name na. Immediately. I give you the cell phone. Finish your work.
I give you some chocolate.
Are you tired to write your name? Grabe, 2 linya na lang. Ito na lang, oh. 2 na lang, oh. Ganyan na lang. Ayaw niya pa na magsulat, oh. Pag tinamad ka naman talaga ng di oras talaga naman ng batang ito. Look at the camera. Are you tired to write your name? Are you tired? Hey, anesthetist yourself. Hey, you! Hey, you! Are you tired? Why? Ouchie na yung hands mo. Ouchie na. May I see your hands? I give you hands. I give you hands.
Oh, God, you're dumb on a pencil.
Ganun talaga, Ada. Kailangan yun. Di ka kasi nag-exercise ng kamay. Don't touch. Do not sulat yourself. Ayaw mo na, ayaw mo na. Later naman, later. Okay?
Later, sulat.
Opo. Okay. Say bye-bye na.